Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spraybooth. And this is the second part of this series guys, where I am painting my wife's bike. I had finished my last video by wiping all the surfaces with the tech cloth. Now after wiping the surface with the tech cloth, you should not be wasting any time. Immediately you should start to spray the paint, which I'm going to do further in this video. So you guys gave lots of love to my last video. I want to thank you guys for that. This video also is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, I will start my painting process on these guards first. So here I am spraying a black color, a jet black color, first quality base coat. So whenever you are starting a paint job, you should be first testing your spray on parts like this and see how the paint is coming out. Don't directly spray on the main surface. Now these type of parts guys, you should hang them and spray the paint on them. This is a wrong way to paint parts like this, but at that time guys, I had problem with lighting in my spray booth. If you hang the parts, then your spray booth should have a good lighting, and you should also have a place where you can hang these parts properly. Because when you hang these parts guys, and when you spray the paint on them, these parts start to move and you cannot spray on them properly. So you should hang them and make them as stable as possible before you start to spray the paint on them. Now if you want to use this technique to spray the paint, then you should be spraying the base coat on the back side of the guards first, which is not the visible part. Then you will have to give it some time to dry, so that when you turn these guards, the bottom side should be dry because that side will touch the floor. So my recommendation here is that if you are painting parts like this, see that you use a rope and hang all these parts and then spray the paint on them. Now there is one more interesting thing here guys. If you guys can notice that I am spraying paint on a very small fiber part. Now this part I have fixed it on the paper by using masking tapes. Otherwise what would happen is the moment I sprayed the paint on this part, it would fly away. And it would also turn, it would get scratched, and it would ruin my entire paint job. So this type of parts guys, you should fix them first before you spray the paint on them. Because if you are holding a good quality spray gun, the amount of air pressure which comes out of that spray gun is just too much guys. That is the reason why you should make your parts stable before you spray the paint on them. Otherwise parts like this will fly away like anything.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just a start?
So guys, here I have rotated the parts and now I am spraying the paint on the main side of these guards, which is the visible side. Now on this side of the guards I will apply 2 coats. On the back side I have applied only 1 coat, but on the top side I will be applying 2 coats. Now once I am done spraying the paint on this side of the guards, I am done applying the first coat of my base coat on all the parts. So I will allow these parts to dry for some time and then I will apply the second coat. So guys, if you cover the surface well with your base coat in 1 coat, then 2 coats are enough. If you miss a spot, then it is a problem. So you should check all your parts thoroughly if you missed a spot. So guys, here now I am applying my second coat of my base coat. Now this base coat guys will look glossy when you first apply it, but then it will become matte. So there is nothing to worry about it. This is the normal process. So guys, here I'm done applying the base coat. So now I will apply the clear coat. So in this clear coat I have put Jerelix. So before I apply the clear coat, I will wipe the surface with a tech cloth for the last time. And now my surface is ready to apply the clear coat. Now all these guards I have rotated again, and first I am spraying the clear coat on the back side of these guards. Then I will allow it to dry for some time. Then I will turn them and apply the clear coat on the main side of these guards. But again guys, it is not my recommendation to spray the clear coat on this type of parts by keeping them like this. My recommendation is you should hang these parts and spray the clear coat on them. Now because I have put Jerelix inside of my clear coat, in between your spraying you should shake your spray gun so that the Jerelix inside of your spray gun cup will get mixed in your clear coat well. Now guys, when you are spraying the paint for the first time in your life, you are totally scared from inside. And because of this fear, you do many mistakes. When I just started out, I have also done these mistakes. Once I remember, by mistake, I happened to touch a spray paint tin and it toppled up. And the entire paint from that tin fell on me guys. So this type of things happen when you are just starting out. So don't worry about it. It has happened even with me guys. If this type of things happen with you, then you just have to clean that paint and continue with your painting process. So here I will be applying 2 coats of clear coat. So the better setup you do of your parts, it will be better for you to spray the paint on them. Now when I am spraying the clear coat on this mudguard, you guys can see that this mudguard is very close to the floor. Now if your floor is not clean here, then all that dust from that floor will come up and it will settle on your clear coat. So guys, here I have rotated my guards again, and now I am spraying the clear coat on the top side of these guards, which is the main side, which is the visible side guys. Now before you turn them, your clear coat from underneath should be totally dry guys. Otherwise, the paper which I have put underneath will stick to the clear coat. This is the reason why I am telling you guys, this is not the proper way to spray clear coat on this type of parts. So hang this type of parts and then apply the clear coat on them. Now on top of the guards I will be applying only 1 coat of clear coat, and now when I am spraying the clear coat on these parts, it is my second coat guys. Now once I apply the second coat, I am done with the paint job on this bike. Now you guys must have noticed here that I have applied the stickers on my base coat and I am applying the clear coat on top of those stickers. Now when you do things like this guys, the stickers go inside of the clear coat and they even look good. Now guys, I have created an entire course on this project. So if you guys want to know step by step what is the process, what are the pros and cons, how to do the paint mixing, how to do the spray gun setup, and how to do everything step by step, then I explain all the things step by step inside of that course. So if you guys want to do your own paint jobs and if you want to acquire professional results, and that too from your home garage, then don't waste your time. I've put a link of that course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. Very soon guys, I'm going to launch an app. Once I launch that app, I will give a shout out on this channel that I have already launched the app. Now this app is only for the Android devices guys. So if you are an Android user, then you can easily go in this app and access all your course videos. Guys, before you see the final shots of this paint job, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will meet you guys in another informative video on this same channel. So come on, let's go and see the final shots of this paint job. This is a very old video guys. I didn't have good video shooting skills at that time, but still, here are the final shots of this paint job.
I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go.